So a lot has happened in the crypto market over the last 24 hours, and while many people were expecting the worst, we have seen a lot of great news come out of the crypto market. So let's talk about it. First thing is going to be with Bitcoin and overall market before we dive into Cardano. Right now, Bitcoin is seeing a major push higher. We've seen Bitcoin's price break above a key resistance of $40,000 per coin, as many people were expecting us to trade sideways for the next couple of days. And I had said this in the other video as well. What we're also seeing is that Bitcoin's price broke above the 50-day simple moving average. So we broke above two key resistance levels, which now makes us look very bullish for crypto over the coming weeks because these levels have been holding Bitcoin's price down. Next thing is going to be with Bank of America, because Bank of America came out and said that what they're seeing at this point in terms of on-chain data, in terms of mass adoption, they don't expect a crypto winter at all this year. They said in the next 6 months, yes, there might not be a lot of movement higher, but they're at least expecting us to trade sideways because there's so much adoption. There's so much growth in terms of developers building on crypto that it's impossible for us to see a crypto winter. They said, yes, obviously we're going to see a lot going on with Russia. We're going to see a lot going on with the Federal Reserve and interest rates. But ultimately, are we going to see a crypto winter? And according to their report, which I'll link down below, the answer is no. We're not going to see a crypto winter. We might not see 5, 10x prices, but we're at least going to see a pretty stable Bitcoin, if you could say that, at least trading in between the range we have been seeing as of recently. Next thing I want to talk about is going to be with Russia, because Russia has turned to Bitcoin pretty heavily. Everyone has been saying how Russia was banned from SWIFT, the international payment network. They've been really tried to be kicked out of crypto, as well as Ukraine has requested that Binance block all Russian accounts from being able to trade. But bottom line is Russia has turned to Bitcoin, and we have seen that Bitcoin volume from like rubles to Bitcoin or rubles to USDT. We have seen that this volume has surged to 9-month highs. You could see we are clearly seeing Russia, people in Russia, the government in Russia, all turning to crypto as the Russian economy is really collapsing. Their stock market is tanking. We're seeing that they're getting banned from international payment networks. They're seeing that banks all around the world are really restricting them. So their only option at this point is crypto. And that is great news for all crypto holders. So if you are invested in crypto, a lot of what's happening in Russia and Ukraine, while it is, terrible, we want to make sure that everyone is safe. That is the most important thing. The silver lining to this is if you're an investor, at least we're going to see more people get into the crypto space because of economies in Ukraine and in Russia struggling and getting banned from using traditional financial systems. They're going to have to turn to crypto, and that is exactly what we're seeing. You could see the BTC to ruble daily volume surpassed 1 billion. You could see the USDT to ruble daily volume surpassed 1 billion as well. So this is a very big deal. Now let's talk about what's going on with Cardano, because Cardano over the last week has made a pretty big move. Cardano has flipped Ethereum and XRP in terms of transaction volume. This is a very important metric because over the last couple of months, we had not seen this happen for Cardano. In the last, let's say, year, we had seen this happen 2 or 3 times, but now we've seen it happen twice in the same exact month, where Cardano's blockchain has seen more on-chain activity than that of Ethereum, than that of XRP. And just a couple days ago, we saw Cardano even surpass Bitcoin in terms of on-chain activity. So over the last 7 days, Cardano had processed a record $17.04 billion, and Ethereum only processed 5.25, and XRP was 700 million. So you can see there's a clear separation between Cardano and other projects right now in terms of on-chain metrics. And this has a lot to do with Cardano's ecosystem. They had been always focused on security, always focused on, building a solid network, that now developers are flocking towards it, and we're seeing people actually use it. We talked a lot about how all these new projects are coming up on Cardano basically every single day, and there's a new one called a Cardex. This is a DeFi platform built on the Cardano blockchain, and recently began their token sales. And again, like I say in all these videos, it's not important what DeFi platform we're talking about that's building on Cardano, because there are dozens of them, hundreds of them. The important thing is every single day we're seeing new projects launch, new projects on Cardano's blockchain raising funds, and people actively investing in these. So if you want to check out this platform, a Cardex platform enables users to transfer native tokens and NFTs from other blockchains to Cardano's blockchain. And they also have a couple of other features as well, like you can exchange ADA for other Cardano native tokens. There's a lot of different swapping tools. And right now they're having their seed sale. So you can check that out if you want. But like I said, not important about this coin in particular, this project. The important thing is seeing all of these new projects consistently launching on Cardano's blockchain. And last couple things I want to go over is going to be with Cardano's price, because Cardano hit a very key support level at 85 cents per coin. We saw Cardano's price bounce off of this level, and if we zoom out and look at over the last year to year and a half, we can see that acted as a very important level before Cardano's price went on to rally 200%. So right now we saw that Cardano's price was able to maintain that 85 cents per coin support, and now the only thing we need to see is a retest and a break above that $1 per coin. That is going to be very important for Cardano over the coming weeks. Right now we're saying right around 95 cents per coin, but important for Cardano is that we did maintain this support, and now we need to see it break above that very strong resistance at $1 per coin. So a lot is happening in the crypto market. Ultimately, tensions between Russia and Ukraine are only helping crypto. We're seeing that financial markets in Russia are tanking. Their economy is not doing well. There's a lot of fear in the market, but people are turning to crypto because that's their only option. If people in Russia can't use international banking systems, the traditional financial systems, the only option is crypto. Same with Ukraine. Right now, Ukraine has looked to raise money with funding and donations, and their only option to be able to do this quickly has been with crypto. So again, this is not good with what's going on in Russia and Ukraine. There's no way around that. It is terrible, but at least the crypto market is having some sort of positive impact from it. So let me know your thoughts on what's going on with the overall crypto market, but I'm very bullish from where we are right now, and let me know your thoughts. But I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.